Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi tofu. First, press one block of firm or extra firm tofu for at least 30 minutes to remove excess water. This step is crucial for a good texture. Next, slice the pressed tofu into half-inch thick pieces, then cut them into triangles or squares. Finally, prepare a simple marinade using soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of sugar to infuse flavor into the tofu before cooking. Once your tofu is marinated, pan-fry it until golden brown and slightly crispy on all sides. This creates a wonderful texture contrast. In a separate pan, sauté about 1 cup of chopped kimchi with a teaspoon of sesame oil until it softens and becomes fragrant. Then, add a tablespoon of gochujang and a splash of kimchi juice to the sautéed kimchi, stirring well to combine all the flavors. Now it's time to bring everything together. Gently combine the crispy, pan-fried tofu with the flavorful sautéed kimchi mixture. Ensure the tofu is well coated with the kimchi sauce. To finish, garnish your dish with fresh green onions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for an extra layer of flavor and visual appeal. Serve this warm kimchi tofu immediately as a delicious appetizer or a satisfying side dish. For a heartier meal, consider adding sliced pork belly or mushrooms to your kimchi tofu. You can also easily adjust the spice level by increasing or decreasing the amount of gochujang to suit your preference. This dish is incredibly versatile. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home with smart technology and enjoy your favorite music or podcasts while cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.